Hi scholars, if you're here, you've finished the nonfiction context clues video and now it's time for your practice. We're going to finish the article, I'm sorry for the whining of my dog, we're going to finish the article Into the Flames. I read the first page and I did smoke jumpers and remote, and you're going to identify the meaning of wildfire and drought. So let's read the rest of the passage first. During the last few months, smoke jumpers have been busy. It is wildfire season in the western United States. The season began in June and usually lasts until November. A very hot year. Many wildfires, I'm going to go ahead and highlight that word because I know I need to know it. Many wildfires start naturally, either by lightning or by the sun's heat. Other fires are caused by people. This year is unique, wildfire official Rose Davis told Weekly Reader. In the Southwest, heavy rain in the early part of the year caused a lot of new grass to grow. The summer was hot and dry. New grass burns quickly when it dries out. The Northwest is in a drought. Let me go ahead and highlight that. You should in your text too. The Northwest is in a drought. A drought is a long period of dry weather with little or no rain. Dry grass and trees catch fire easily. A wildfire can spread from 5 acres to 500 acres within an hour or two, smoke jumper Lori Messenger told Weekly Reader. We can get to small, remote fires very fast and put them out while they are still small. All right, so we need to go back and figure out the meanings for wildfire and drought. I highlighted wildfire, so I'm going to go right back to where I found that word, and we need to read around the text to figure out what it means for clues. Let's read around. Many wildfires start naturally, either by lightning or by the sun's heat. Other fires are caused by people. Pause your video and highlight in the text the clues, then write the clues into your graphic organizer in this box. Press play when you've done that. If you've pressed play, you've highlighted clues in the text and you've written it in your graphic organizer. Hopefully, you highlighted clues like this. Start naturally by lightning or by the sun's heat. And then hopefully you came into your graphic organizer and you wrote down your clues, like mine are start naturally, lightning, and heat. All right, now you need to pause the video so you can put your clues together and write in this box of the graphic organizer. What do you think a wildfire means? Press play when you've done that. All right, if you've pressed play, hopefully you have a definition like wildfires are fires that start naturally. If you don't have this, that's okay. If it's close, that's good. If it's not close at all, maybe raise your hand to ask for help, change your answer. Let's do drought. I found it in the text because I already highlighted it. Now you need to go back and read around the text. You need to highlight your clues in the text and then also write them into your organizer. Pause the video to do that and press play when you're done. All right, if you've pressed play, hopefully you highlighted your clues in the text. I highlighted long period of dry weather and little or no rain for drought. Hopefully you also wrote that into your organizer. So long period of dry weather and little or no rain. All right, now you need to pause your video so you can put all of these clues together and write in this box what you think the word drought means. Press play when you've done so. All right, if you press play, you've defined what drought means in your organizer. Hopefully you wrote something like droughts are long periods of time with little or no rain. All right. If you're done, raise your hand so that I can check your work before going on to the exit ticket. If you had a definition like that for droughts, you're good to go. I still want to check everybody's work before they go on to their exit ticket. I'll know if you listen to these directions.